Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us.
Hello, I'm Parikshit. I am a pre-sales solution architect, and I recently cleared AWS Solution Architect Associate. And I've also cleared the foundation course, which is AWS Cloud Practitioner in the past. So basically, there are a couple of areas which I concentrated a lot on. Like the DB area, which has a lot of questions like Aurora DB, RDS, and DynamoDB, and many other databases. And then the networking area is also one area where a lot of questions come in. And then there are a couple of smaller questions coming in from containers and all the other services that are in AWS. So the resource material that I mostly used was Stephen Merrick's Udemy course, which is dedicated towards AWS Solution Architect, and also Neil Davis courses. I refer to them as well. So Neil Davis courses had some cheat sheets which we can utilize for preparing for the exam. Those are the major areas. A lot of questions also come around these SQS and SNS messaging items, and also a lot of questions around security is something that I observed that is recently coming up. So this exam, I found it very different from the foundation exam that I gave, which was the practitioner exam. So in the practitioner exam, normally you must be aware of all the services, and then you will be able to clear the exam. So it is a broad, you learn it from a broader perspective. But the solution architect is more of an application level exam. So there are a lot of scenarios based questions in this exam. So if you just learn everything and go and write the exam, there are high chances that you might not clear it, given the criteria of around I think 720 or 750 cutoff. What you need to do basically is to engage in this course questions and other practice questions that are available in Udemy that prepares you for answering scenario based questions. And the difficulty level is not easy, it's moderate, I can say. So if you're already working in AWS, it can be moderate to easy. But if you don't have an experience working in AWS, then it might get difficult. So basically, you should be ready for attending a 2-hour exam where you will have to read long questions, and the questions can be tiring sometimes, given that it's scenario based questions, and the options can also kind of play with you, because there are a lot of services that can get the job done, but you will have to choose an option that is the most cost efficient, or that provides you the most operational efficiency. You shouldn't need to do a lot of managing of the underlying infrastructures. We have to read the question very carefully and understand what they actually need, whether they need cost efficiency, or they want to get it done at any cost, or they want a very reliable system which does not fail in that different circumstances, or they need some operational efficiency, wherein once the system is in place, they only want to manage the system and not the underlying infrastructure, or not be worried about having failure. So those kind of scenarios come into play, and you will have to make the decisions like that. Basically, for me, it has been very useful. I have a background in pre-sales, and I am doing a functional role. Yet, I I chose to do this because on a being in IT, you always need to upscale your technical acumen, and cloud having multi-cloud knowledge and experience definitely adds to your profile, and gives you a hawk-eye view of all the technologies that is leveraged across the IT ecosystem. And for me, on a career perspective, also, I have switched a lot of roles. This certification is a hallmark of you holding certain skills. So that way, even though it might not help you crack an interview, but definitely it will help you reach there among the hundreds and thousands of resumes that go into different recruiters. This definitely allows you to stand out.
For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.